So, okay. You can materialize any anime. Oh, wait. I've already done this one. Haha. Edit that out. Probably can't. Alright. Materialize anything I want just by imagining it. But you have to press the button to every question posted here, regardless of the downside, and accept it as your new reality. I will not. You can materialize anything. No. Solo on Broadway, but I have a bad cold that negatively affects my voice. Darth Vader equals Luke, I am your father. Luke equals no. What? I will not. I don't need that risk. What the crap? This is great. I'm not talking to myself. I am now making a video. Yes, I'm making a video at school. Why don't you fight me? Oh god, he was gonna hate. So, wait a minute, hold on, let me do a quick little zoom in on that. Wait. That's awful. Someone come look at this predicament and tell me this is not awful. Come and look at this, dude. Come. Read this predicament. If you press the button, this is what happens, okay? If you press the button, this is what happens. Just read this. Alright. Would you press the button? Yeah. Okay. I will not. I am. You can be in an anime, but you can only. Oh, that's weak. And now my entire class is going to be giggling about that for the next 5 minutes. I will not. Ugh. Next. Michael Bay dies and stops making movies. That's just a lose. Yeah, I'll do that. No. Through this. He was nice. He was an okay. He. You could be. You could badmouth a guy like you're roasting him. He loved. Oh my gosh, these comments. All audience members explode. I don't either. I don't know who he is either. I just don't want someone to die. Next. Cure world hunger, but everyone who's starving dies instantly. Cure world hunger, but everyone who was starving dies instantly. Cure world hunger, but everyone who dies everyone who is starving dies instantly. I'm gonna push that button. Sorry, Africa, but no more. Free rice is gone. No more free rice. I'm gonna push that button. Alright, let's go. Next. Thank you. You can revive any canned TV, like you just go to the store and buy some cans that are. Oh, okay. Like Full House and stuff like that. Okay. But it will. Ugh. No. Whatever you want to eat is magically in your fridge, but you have to let your mom run your Tumblr blog 1 week of each month. I don't have Tumblr, so I'll do that. I don't even know what it is. I don't do Tumblr. I Twitter and Instagram are things that I do, even though I don't, but I still do. But I don't even know what Tumblr is, but okay. I don't know what Tumblr is. Find the cure to cancer, but someone else takes the credit, I'll do that. I will do that. I don't care. Your greatest enemy will have never been born, but neither will your favorite music actor or musician. Ugh! Markiplier will never exist. I will not. I don't even have an enemy. Wait, everyone's my enemy. I could rid the world of everyone. Alright, that's enough. Let's go to these dilemmas right here. Okay. Let's go home. Gain any superpower I want, but okay. I want to go to these dilemmas. Hold up. Isn't there a thing where there's settings that you can go to? And you can do the ones that have not been okayed yet? I don't care. Okay, let me center this back up again. A magical tap that dispenses unlimited and whatever flavored milkshake appears on the wall of my kitchen, but I can't take it with you. You can't take it with you if you move, and you get an athlete's foot now and then. I will not. I don't even like milkshakes all that much. They're kind of nasty. Unless they're like chocolate and peanut butter. Your mouse is going crazy, my dude. Hey, my dude. Your mouse. It's going crazy. It's clicking on something over and over and over again. Corey, you really sound like you don't care. You can't. Oh, that's a good dilemma. I'm glad I wasn't paying attention, though, because I don't want to. I'm only 14. Oh, okay. You gain the ability. I like this one. You gain the ability to fly, but you fart when doing so. So every time you take off to fly. I will do that. I don't even care. You'll be able to convert oxygen and carbon to CO2. But you'll slowly die doing it. I will not. I don't even need carbon dioxide. Why is that a thing? What if I could convert carbon to oxygen? That would be chill. Or make the cure of cancer, some crap like that. Saw, Mr. Moorhead.
Who?
I don't know. Just said a random name. Owen. Just said a random name.
Where did you get Moorhead?
I don't know. I have two favorite subs, Moorhead and Owen.
Well,
You're one of them.
I'm the Owen.
You're Owen. Yeah. Yeah. I said the wrong name. Oh. It's good because I totally remember who you are. I do. But I'm really bad at names. So I apologize. I apologize. Okay. Here, you want to help me answer one of these questions? Here. Help me. Hey, help me answer one of these questions, alright? Will you press this button? You can read any book simply by making physical contact with it, but you can no longer read anything using your eyes.
So what are you supposed to do?
Touch it. But only with books. But you can't read anything else with your eyes. You wouldn't do that? I will not. Okay. Oh, I love this game. All of my loved ones, like everyone, will be happy and free from all kinds of diseases, but all their memories will be gone. Oh, I would never do that. But I'm going to leave this one as a blank because I am running out of time. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. See ya.